This is another video from Chris's Central Station. We're very lucky today in that we have arrived at the North Rocks Railroad. Branch line. I am corrected by Errol, the man who built this 45 years ago and has moved it to where we is now. Errol, would you like to tell us a bit about this?
I made it 45 years ago. It was 12 foot square because that's the length of a piece of Dexian, and it lifted up into my garage ceiling. When we moved to Canberra, I said, right, it's going down for good, standing down on the floor, and so I made it 18 inches longer, and I fitted a entry bridge to it. So you can drop that bridge and you can walk in without having to crawl underneath. And then I added the extremities, which go right around the room and over the electric bridge just here, and so we can run 5 trains at once.
Now, 45 years ago Errol said he built this, but about 15 years before that he started another project, and of course that project is right in front of us. That's Big Boy, who you may remember before, and of course Big Boy being Errol's sons. Errol specialises in Hornby mainly, in British and Australian trains, but Big Boy, of course, being an individual, does American trains, and we've seen some of his ones. And here he's got one running on his dad's layout. This is Lionel. With all the lighted carriages. Now, one of the most amazing things about this layout is that, of course, ooh, there we go, sorry, that was a bit of bad footage there, folks, is that it's all hydraulic. The points are all offered by hydraulic, and Pete is now going to lift up the thing and we will have a look. So imagine getting at the work, but all the points are hydraulic.
No, pneumatic.
Sorry, pneumatic. Sorry, what am I saying? Pneumatic. There's a compressor which the gentlemen have very kindly turned off while we film this. And even when the bridges go up, little bolts come up so you can't run the trains into the gap. So what we'll do is we'll stop this video now. We'll thank Errol, and then we'll do some close-ups of some of his trains. Errol and Peter have got some set some trains up to run, so we'll just look at those as a separate video.
Good.
Thank you very much, Errol.
Good.
Fantastic layout. Chris's Central Station